Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and hard disk drive. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the privacy switchboard ZIF connector and disconnect the privacy switchboard ribbon cable from the privacy switchboard. Partially separate the privacy switchboard ribbon cable from the fingerprint board ribbon cable and move the privacy switchboard ribbon cable aside to access the fingerprint board bracket. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the fingerprint board bracket to the top cover. Lift the left edge of the fingerprint board bracket up and then slide it out from the top cover and set it aside for later replacement. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the fingerprint board ZIF connector and disconnect the fingerprint board ribbon cable from the fingerprint board. Reach under the top cover and push the fingerprint board up through its cutout to separate it from the adhesive on the top cover. Remove the fingerprint board. Replacement. Place the fingerprint board into its cutout on the top cover. Press down on the fingerprint board to secure it to the adhesive on the top cover. Insert the fingerprint board ribbon cable into the fingerprint board ZIF connector and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Slide the fingerprint bracket back into position on the top cover. Replace the 2mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the fingerprint bracket to the top cover. Insert the privacy switchboard ribbon cable into the privacy switchboard ZIF connector and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Press down along the length of the privacy switchboard ribbon cable to adhere it over the fingerprint board ribbon cable.